We'll see if that helps Bangladesh, if that helps the economy of Bangladesh, then we'll decide.
Hello, congratulations for you and your party for yesterday the victory. So my question is that in the past a long time, China and Bangladesh had maintained a very good relationship. So I want to know in the future, how do you develop the relationship between China and Bangladesh? The first question. Second question is that how do you think about the role of Belt and Road Initiative for the future development of Bangladesh? Thank you.
About your first question, definitely we'll try to protect the interest of the people of Bangladesh. If there's something which will not be in favor of Bangladesh, naturally we can't go by that. I'm sure mutual interest is the first priority we will go by. Second thing is that the road, you mentioned the road, Silk Road, you mentioned. About that, we'll see if that helps Bangladesh, if that helps the economy of Bangladesh, then we'll decide.